The process of how honey is made is a fascinating journey from flower petals to a sweet, golden liquid. It begins with the diligent work of field bees, scout bees, who are responsible for identifying flowers rich in nectar. Once they pinpoint a location, they perform a special dance known as the waggle dance inside the hive to communicate the location to other forager bees. Forager bees then venture out from the hive, ready to collect nectar, the sweet fluid produced by flowers. Using their long, tube-shaped tongues, they extract the nectar and store it in their honey stomachs, which are separate from their digestive stomachs. This honey stomach can hold almost its weight in nectar, allowing the bee to transport the valuable liquid back to the hive. Once back at the hive, the forager bee regurgitates the nectar to a house bee. This act isn't as simple as it seems. During this process, the nectar is passed between bees, a method known as trophallaxis. Each time the nectar is transferred, enzymes in the bee's saliva break down the complex sugars into simpler ones, glucose and fructose. To rid the nectar of excess water, the house bees spread the now thicker liquid into hexagon-shaped honeycombs. Here, the drying process continues as the bees fan their wings over the honeycomb. The draft from their wings speeds up the evaporation process, reducing the moisture content to about 17 to 20%, which prevents fermentation and ensures the honey's long shelf life. The final step is sealing these cells with beeswax that their bodies produce. This protective coating preserves the honey, ready for the bees to use as a food source during times when flowers are not blooming and nectar is scarce. This entire process can vary in time from a few days to weeks, depending on the weather conditions and nectar source. This natural miracle demonstrates not only the complex and industrious nature of bees, but also why honey earns its nickname as liquid gold.